Let's make some adorable mini hearts in a row. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet these cute mini hearts worked in rows. This is a quick and beginner-friendly stitch and is a great way to practice changing colours. And it's a great stitch for things like bags and cushions. Today I'll be using US crochet terms, but I will put the UK equivalent up on the screen as well. Before we begin, I just wanted to say a huge thanks to everyone following my channel. And I've got a quick question. Which tutorial first brought you to my channel? Just let me know in the comments below. Alright, so grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. Today I'm using a DK weight yarn, 100% cotton and a 3.5mm hook. But you can experiment, you can try different yarn weights and hook sizes. To start, make your slip knot in your preferred method. And when you're ready, start making your foundation chain in multiples of 4 until you reach the desired length that you want. So all that means is you keep making 4 chains until you get to the length that you want. Once you get to your desired length, chain 1. For row 1, we'll start second chain from the hook just right there and place a single crochet. So yarn over and then pull through both loops. Go into the very next chain along, just right here, and work a single crochet. Then yarn over both loops. Go into the next chain and work a single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. And we'll keep repeating this stitch along the length of the foundation chain until you get to the end. So feel free to pause the video here and I'll see you towards the end of row 1. I'm now at the end of row 1, just working my last couple of stitches, so just working the very last single crochet into that very last chain. And that's the end of row 1. To start row 2, chain 1 and then turn your work. In that chain 1, just brings your hook up to the right height so it doesn't count as a stitch. And this is what your row will start to look like. And we're simply going to repeat what we did in row 1. So we're going to do another setup row of single crochets. So go straight into that very first stitch right here and then work a single crochet. Remember, if you're using UK terms, this is called a double crochet. And go straight into the next stitch along under both loops and work a single crochet. So yarn over, pull through a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Work a single into the next stitch along under both loops. Pull through a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. So keep repeating this stitch along your row and I'll see you towards the end of row 2. Feel free to pause the video here. I'm now at the end of my row, I've got 2 stitches left to do. So keep working your single crochets. And in that very last stitch it does tend to curl over slightly, so just make sure that you don't miss it. And work your single crochet. Great, and now we've done our 2 setup rows. You start row 3, chain 1 and then turn your work. In that chain 1, just bring your hook up to the right height. Now grab your next yarn colour because we're going to start making our mini hearts. I'm going to use this really cute pink colour and lay it at the back of your stitches. On the first couple of stitches we will work over it. In that very first stitch, work a single crochet as normal. So insert your hook. I'm going to insert my hook. I'm going to make sure that I work over that pink colour, just to make sure that I capture it. So I'm going to grab my green and then just complete my single crochet as normal, just making sure that I've worked over the pink. I'll work another single crochet in the next stitch along, just making sure that I work over that pink. And then just complete my single crochet as normal. On the third stitch we'll do something slightly different. So we'll start our single crochet as normal. Instead of grabbing my green, I'm going to grab my pink yarn. I now have a pink and green loop on my hook. Then I'm just going to grab the green yarn again to complete my stitch. And that's it. So I'm just going to make sure that I keep working over my pink yarn. And I'll just make sure that I do the next 3 single crochets as normal. Again, just working over that pink. So that's stitch 1, stitch 2, stitch 3, and on that 4th stitch I will grab my pink. So grab the pink, and then I'm going to grab my green colour to complete the stitch. Now do your next 3 stitches as normal. Stitch 1, stitch 2, stitch 3. On that 4th single crochet, I'm going to grab my pink, and then I'll finish off with the green colour. Now I'll work the next 3 stitches as normal. So that's stitch 1, 2, 3. On that 4th stitch, I'll grab my pink colour. So insert your hook, I'm going to grab my pink, and then I'm going to yarn over it and finish the stitch in my green colour. Work your next 3 stitches as normal. Stitch 1, 2, 3, and on that 4th stitch I'll grab my pink yarn, and then I'll finish off in my green. And in that very last stitch I'll just work a normal single crochet. Great, and now I've done row 3. And this is what it starts to look like after 3 rows. So you can see the little heart pattern starting to pop. So we're going to start row 4. So I'm going to insert my hook back in, and I'm going to chain 1 just to bring my hook up to the right height, and then turn my work. And you can see that we're now starting to work on the reverse side of the pattern. So I'm going to do a row of single crochets, but I'm going to make sure that I carry that pink yarn along with me. So insert your hook under both loops and work a single crochet. And we're going into that very first stitch. And I'm also capturing that pink yarn along the top as well. And remember, if you're working UK crochet terms, this is called a double crochet. So all we're going to do for row 4 is do a row of single crochets. So feel free to pause the video here, and I'll see you towards the end of row 4. So I'm now at the end of my row. I've got 2 more stitches to do. So remember, we're working on the reverse side of our pattern, and work a single crochet into that very last stitch. And we've done row 4. To start row 5, chain 1 and turn your work. And now we're back working the correct side of the pattern. You can really see those hearts starting to pop. So I'm just going to take my pink colour yarn, make sure I sort of place it around the back. And on that very first stitch, we're going to work a mini heart. So I'm just making sure I've tucked that pink colour behind the stitches, and I'll work a mini heart. So I'm going to start my hook, and I'm going to pull through the pink yarn. So I've got a pink and green loop, and then I'll yarn through with my green to complete the stitch. Now I'm going to work the next 3 stitches as normal, working over that pink yarn. So that's stitch 1, stitch 2, stitch 3, and on that 4th stitch we'll do a mini heart. So insert the hook, grab the pink yarn, and then pull through with my green yarn. Work the next 3 stitches as normal. Stitch 1, 2, and 3. In that 4th stitch we'll work a mini heart. So insert your hook and grab the pink yarn, and then I'm going to pull through with my green. Work your next 3 stitches as normal. Stitch 1, 2, and 3. In that 4th stitch we'll work a mini heart. So we'll grab the pink yarn and then pull through with the green. In the next 3 stitches, work as normal. So that's stitch 1, 2, 3. In that 4th stitch, work a mini heart. So I'll start my hook and pull through the pink and then pull through with the green. Work your next 3 stitches as normal. Stitch 1, stitch 2, and on that very last stitch, work a normal single crochet. And stitch 3. To start row 6, chain 1 and then turn your work. And row 6 is just a repeat of what we did in row 4. So we're on the reverse side of our pattern and we're just going to work a row of single crochets. So go into that very first stitch and just make sure that you're carrying your yarn along the top of your stitches and work a row of singles. So feel free to pause the video here and I'll see you towards the end of row 6. I'm now at the end of my row, just working my last 2 stitches and my last single crochet. And to start row 7, you just chain 1 and turn your work. And from now on, the pattern repeat is just from row 3. So you'll keep repeating from row 3 onwards. And you can really start to see that pattern starting to pop. So I'll quickly start row 7 with you. And we'll work a single crochet in the first 2 stitches just as normal. So insert your hook, work a single crochet, second stitch along, work a single crochet, and in that 3rd stitch I'll do a mini heart. So I'm going to grab my pink and then grab my green just to finish off the stitch. And yeah, so hopefully the pattern makes sense. If not, just go back to row 3 and re-watch what we did. I'm going to work a few more rows so you can really start to see that pattern take shape. And here we go. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you for watching all the way through. If you liked my tutorial and want to help my channel grow, hit that like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And yeah, I'll see you later.